Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided that I will start documenting my weight loss journey and sharing it with you all. I have been on a little break with this journey. It's been on pause for a long time, and that's simply because when I have a rest day, sometimes that rest day may turn into 2 days, a week, a month, months, and before I know it, it's been months and I haven't worked out. Because it's January, many of us like to start our diets, our workouts, set new goals for ourselves, and it's that whole idea of new year, new me sort of thing. So I decided to pick up my weight loss journey and pick up where I left off. I started this on Monday. If you're on a weight loss journey, if you have any tips, then don't forget to comment below. And if you want to stay up to date with my journey, then don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share them. I really appreciate it. So what I've done is I've cut out junk food. I don't drink anything but water and green tea. I stick to 1,200 calories. I use my fitness app, my Fitness Pal, the app. It documents all the foods that you eat throughout your day in a diary. So you log all the foods in a diary and it keeps track of your calories. My goal is 1,200 calories, so I've set that on the app. So it basically monitors and makes sure that I don't go over. I also use the My Water app, so that tracks how much water I'm drinking a day and it makes sure that I hit my goals. My goal is 2 litres, and I think anything more than that would be a struggle for me. I'd be going to the bathroom every second. So yeah, 2 litres is just enough for me. And if I don't drink enough or I forget, then the app will keep notifying me. So I have no choice but to drink and stay on target. In the mornings, I will have eggs, cereal, occasionally a bagel, but maybe on my cheat days. And sometimes porridge, but it really depends how I feel. Sometimes porridge can make me feel extra full in the morning, and I don't really like that feeling. And also, when it comes to breakfast, on my days off, I may delay until 12 in the afternoon, and that's called intermittent fasting. Many have found it very helpful when it comes to losing weight, and I also find it helps because the later I eat, the less I crave in the evening and at night. So for lunchtime, I might have, I don't know, something like a salad, chicken salad, a small quiche, a Weight Watchers quiche that is, oven baked Walker's Fusion Crisps. They're only a little over 100 calories, and one of my little snack bars, my chocolate brownie 90 calorie bars. For dinner, I might have fish, chicken breast, pretty much just fish, salmon, haddock, and stick to chicken breast. Might have that with quinoa, whole wheat spaghetti or whole wheat pasta. When it comes to snacks, I tend not to snack on anything more than 100 calories. That's why I have my 90 calorie fibre bars. It tastes so good, and it's not that much calories, so I won't go over as fast. I also used to have like the Weight Watchers popcorn, because popcorn is my weakness. I needed to find an alternative. Even melt cask popcorn as well, it's not too bad with the calories. The key for me, I think, is not feeling that I am on a diet, still eating the foods I like but within moderation, and finding alternatives that taste just as good, less calories. I've also started a 30-day workout challenge, and that's with a YouTuber, a personal trainer, online instructor called Kiara Lachey. She is amazing. I've been using Kiara since November 2016, and the weight I have lost so far is down to her. She is fun. Her workouts are based on dancing, but she makes sure you get a full body workout, arm day, leg day, ab day, or even butt day. Yeah, she works on those areas, and at the same time, she makes it fun. It just feels like you're dancing. She has an online gym in the format of her DVDs, so you can purchase that. And if you can't afford that, then she has lots of workouts on YouTube. Of course, you can follow those for free. She has a few challenges, 30-day challenges, and she'll set a workout or even 2 workouts per day. So you just go to that one video, look in the description box, and it says day 1, day 2, day 3, and whatever day you're on, you'll know what workouts to do. The last one I did was the summer challenge, and I finished that in September. That was really, really, really good. The results that you see, they're quite fast and they're amazing. I've tried a lot of techniques, a lot of exercises, and I wasn't really noticing any much changes in my weight. Yeah, with her, the results are really fast, and because of that, I have I've stayed focused, and I have been dedicated to her workouts. Yes, I may fall off and lose motivation, but I always come back. And I owe everything to her. Everything that I've lost so far, it's all down to her. Sometimes I follow Scholar Dondo, I think her name is. She does Afrobeats workouts. She even did a Bodak Yellow Cardi B workout. So sometimes if I'm bored, just before bed, I might do a little mini workout, and I might do one of Scholar's. And again, it's really fun. I love dance workouts. I don't like to feel like I'm working out, and I don't really like going to the gym. I find it intimidating, but that's just my preference. I do home workouts. I am going to be starting a 7-day shake challenge as well. I am a business owner for the brand Forever Living. So now and again, I will do a 7-day shake challenge, which is having a shake for breakfast, having a shake for lunch, and I think a 300 calorie meal in the evening. It might be 600 calories, not really sure. And you're allowed 3 foods to snack on. 3 foods are in the form of fruit and veg, nothing else. You do that for 7 days, and the last time I did it, me, my mum and my dad, we've done it, and my sister actually, and we lost 7 pounds in 7 days, so a pound a day basically. It really, really works. Again, it's really effective. There's also the C9 version. It's called a C9, and it's the same thing, but you do it for 9 days and you lose a lot more weight. Monday was difficult, obviously cutting everything out from the Christmas period. I did have a lot of cravings, but the second day got a little easier, and I'm sure today will be just as good. I had a cheat day, but I would take advantage of that and go a bit crazy, and that was on Fridays. But this time around, I'm going to do things a bit different and just have a cheat meal on Fridays rather than a cheat day, because that one day of fast food like breakfast, lunch and dinner can set you back quite a lot, and it's not really worth it considering how much you've worked. I think the key to this is feeling as though you're not on a diet, feeling as though you're not working out, and I have found my method that works for me. I'm not a dietitian. If you guys are on a weight loss journey, if you have any tips, if you want to share anything with me, don't forget to comment down below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.